Good morning. What's up, guys? It's Dean. Welcome to MFY Yoga. It's Monday. It's about 10:30 a.m. and I'm just getting on to give you guys the Monday members area updates. So, as always, we've got a new workout for you this week. This one is called the Lunch Power Yoga Routine. I can't remember the exact name, but it is a 43-minute power yoga routine, and it's actually a test version of an upcoming DVD we're about to film. So it is the test version for our lunch power yoga routine, and the DVD is going to be called Yoga Charge. So we're uploading this workout to the members area. There's also a free version on here on Facebook and also on YouTube and on our blog. But we also have our professionally edited version with professional audio and multiple camera angles and 4 camera angles for the members area specifically. So that workout's going to be live in the members area today as a new featured workout. You can check that out when you log in at manfulyoga.com/members. Some other new things we have going on this week. We are releasing a brand new workout program. This is called the Intermediate Yoga for Resistance Training Program. This is a successor to the Beginners Yoga for Resistance Training Program that we released a few weeks ago. So once you finish the beginner program, which is I think 2 to 3 months or 2 to 4 months, you'll move on to the Intermediate Yoga for Resistance Training Program. So we have that beginner program for people who are new to yoga and are already doing resistance training. And now we have this intermediate program for people who are already more experienced with yoga or who have already completed that beginner program and are now moving on. So that's going to be cool, pretty cool too. And then other stuff I wanted to mention, I've got a workshop going on in Philadelphia this weekend. So Sunday in Philadelphia at 11:30 a.m. You can join me at Knoll Bowl Training in Huntington Valley, Pennsylvania. It's about 20 to 30 minutes outside of the city, so I hope you'll join me there. And that's pretty much it for this week. There's actually a bunch more than that, but that's all I'm going to say now. We actually did release a few other content too. So if you'll recall, I did a few hour-long discussions with Jesse from Central Athlete, which is a local Austin company that helps you get in shape. They're focused on strength training and body composition optimization. And we did some talking about how to eat to build muscle. We also talk about just a general overview of how to build muscle quickly and effectively. And then we also talk about eating for your fitness goals. So we kind of touch on bulking. So if you're trying to gain muscle, so if you're trying to increase your the amount of muscle that you have, but also do so in a way that doesn't make you fat, we've got that. And then we also have one that is focused on weight loss, which would be losing overall fat while increasing overall lean muscle mass. So that's in there as well. Those are a few new things that we just put out in the members area. So if you guys are already in the members area, just head on over to the MFY Yoga website, manfulyoga.com/login, and you'll be able to see that all on the homepage. Scroll down to the wellness library, and you'll see those new wellness discussions that I just talked about with Jesse of Central Athlete. And then the featured workout is going to be right at the top. We're uploading it right now. It should be up there probably within the next hour or two. So if you're watching this around 12 or 1 p.m., it'll already be live. And if you're watching it now, just give it a few more minutes or an hour or two, and it should be up very soon. Again, I've got a workshop going on in Philadelphia this week. I'd love for you to join me if you live in that area. We're going to be focusing on yoga for muscle activation. So a lot of the same stuff that I've done with the Strength Foundations course. Basically going to show you how to make sure that you're doing the poses correctly, engaging the proper muscles, and doing yoga in a way that's going to improve your overall performance in all the other fitness activities that you're doing. So if you're using yoga to get better at weightlifting, if you're using yoga to get better at running, or if you're doing yoga to get better at yoga, this is all going to help with that stuff. So I hope you'll join me there. And if you are not already a member of the members area, We are currently closed for enrollment. I don't know when the next open enrollment period is going to be, but you can request access at manflowyoga.com. So if you go to the website, our homepage, right at the top of the page, there is an option for you to enter your name and your email. You can request an invite, and we'll get back to you immediately with our response. And then over the next few days, we'll let you know if a spot opens up or give you instructions on how to get into the members area and how to get your invite. So again, that's all at manflowyoga.com. If you guys are watching this now and you have questions, feel free to give me a question and I'll get to it when I can. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the videos. Make sure to come back Wednesday at 12 p.m. I'm going to type that in the comments here. Wednesday at 12 p.m. Central Time. Live workout. Join me every Wednesday at 12 p.m. And that's it. Hello to everyone that said hi. Hey, Dustin. Hey, Clay. Two members. Douglas. Hello. How's it going? And then John and Manuel. Good to see you guys too. That's it. So guys, hope you enjoyed that little broadcast, and I will see you guys on the other workouts. If you're already a member, again, make sure to check out the new featured workout. And if you're not a member, check out the, last week we did a live broadcast of a new workout that I'm working on for an upcoming DVD called Yoga Charged, and we actually made that entire workout available for free on my blog. This isn't something that I normally do. Most of my workouts, we put out a lot of content on YouTube, but most of my workouts are reserved for the members area. This is a premium product. I don't give away everything for free, but you can see that workout, which is a really long 43-minute intense workout, and you can see that on our blog for free at manflowyoga.com/blog. So make sure to check that out. It's also available on YouTube and here on Facebook. That's it, and we're always creating new stuff, so just make sure you're coming back and checking the posts, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to see all the new stuff that we're coming out with. We've got some very cool things coming up, including not just workout programs, but actual workout paths. So instead of just giving you a workout program to do, I'm actually giving you a series of workout programs to do, so that if you join the members area, you'll have a plan based on your specific goals for the next 6 to 8 to 12 months. So this is going to be really cool. So it's going to eliminate a lot of confusion, because we have a ton of workouts. We have over 270 workouts in the members area, which is great because you have a ton of content, but it can also be confusing. So we're going to be coming out with some workout paths so that you can come in, start the members area, and then based on your specific goals, you'll be able to start your path and hit the ground running and not have to worry about making decisions, because we've already chosen the workouts and created a workout program and schedules for you. So that's going to be really cool. That's coming out pretty soon as well. We also have a pose guide coming out pretty soon. So we're putting together, we're filming videos for that. We're putting all that information together into very easy to follow, very informative pose guides, so you'll be able to learn specific poses. That's also in the members area. So lots of reasons to join. We're continuing to grow that members area and just create tons of content for it. So if you're not already a member, I highly recommend you join now before we take the price up, because we are adding so much stuff to this that we're going to have to raise the price pretty soon. So I highly recommend you request access, request an invite at our website at manflowyoga.com. And again, that sign up is right at the top of the page. So that's it for today. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the workouts. Leave a comment if you have a question, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.